Okay, so I'm going to teach you a very tricky how you can thin the hair without giving it the volume. So the best way to do it, I know there is a lot of unfortunate stylists, they just grab their skinny shirts, something like that, and then they keep doing like this. That's wrong, because you create a 40% line, and then you give them more volume. So the best way how to do it, you have to have one of those 8-tooth scissors like that, and then you section the hair. This is the most area you're going to take that out. And it's so tricky, and it's very easy to do it. You grab this section like that. You go inside the hair like this, all the way back to the scalp. Close it, open, come, go out. So when you comb it, you only take 6% from the inside here. So not 40%. I do it here sides again. You can see how easy. This is the best way to do it. See, you section the hair like that. So you go inside the hair. You close it all the way to the roots. Close, open, go a slice, go out. So then when you comb it from the root, you see? But please do not use like this. That's wrong, because you create a line. If you want to do like this, the best way is to do, instead of taking it like this, do it like that. Then go inside, come outside. Like that. So you create like a layer inside. Because if you do like this, 40%, see? But you don't see the line to it, because you create a beautiful texture to the hair.